everyone, I hope you enjoyed talking with Freya about how important water is, and next we're going to be doing a little bit of water play. So for this one, obviously you're going to need some water, just normal temperature water from the tap would be fine, and then some different plastic bottles and containers of different sizes and shapes, because we're going to see how water fits into all of those containers. And make sure you've got a grown-up with you to help support you if you need it, so that the water doesn't spill everywhere. And we're going to look at measuring water and seeing how much water fits. So as you can see here, I've got 5 different size containers. I've also got a jug of water that I'm going to pour into these different containers, and I've also put down a tea towel just in case I have any spillages. So if you've got either a mat that you can put down the table, or if you've got tea towels like me, then you can just put them down and it will stop getting all the water over the table in case you spill it. So the first container that I'm going to grab is this one here. And can anyone tell me what shape this is? Yes, you're right, it's a circle. So this is the smallest one that I've got. So we're going to see how much of this water in this jug can fit into this little one here. And be careful when you're doing this, remember, and if you need any help, get an adult to help you. I'll fill it up just to near the top. And I've still got quite a bit of water left. So if you can see, that's how much water it fills up to that blue line. There we go. And next, I'm going to grab this big one here. And can you tell me what shape this one is? That's right, another circle. So I'm going to grab this little one and see how much of this water I can fit into the big container. So you can see there, it's not very full at all, whereas this little one was very full. So we can fill this one up a little bit more if I put it onto the tea towel so I don't spill anything. So we can fill this one up even more because it's even bigger. There we go, and that's all the water, but it's still not full up. So you can see how the bigger container needs more water just to fill it up. So I've now poured all of that water from that big container here back into the jug, and we're going to see how much of this jug can fill into this container next. So can anyone tell me what shape this one is? That's right, a square. So we're going to see how much of this water we can fill into this little square container. Remember to pour carefully so you don't spill any. And if you can see, we've nearly filled the whole thing up. So that just shows that this one is still a little bit smaller than this circle one here, because this one wasn't full all the way, but this one is nearly touching the top. Okay, and the next one we're going to do is this one here. So do you think this water in here is going to fill up more of this container, or do you think it's going to not fill it up as much as this one? Let's see, shall we? And remember, if you need help, to get an adult to help you. So if you can see, I think it probably fills it up about the same amount. So these two containers are very similar in size. So now I've put the containers in order of the smallest to the biggest. So the one on the left, the smallest one, that's the one that can't fit that much water in. And then the big one on the right, that one fits the most water in. So with all of your containers, could you try and put them into order of how much water fits into which one? So try and do it from smallest to biggest with how much water can fit into each container, just like I've done here. And if you need any help, remember that an adult can always help you, and to ask any questions if you need to. So I hope you enjoyed your water play with me, and next you're going to be doing some fun experiments with Freya. Have fun! See you soon!